going to schools and speaking to girls and boys when they are still young has a positive effect in their future decisions in math and science. We serve as an example, and we also influence their future aspiration. When they start university, they need support, guidance, and training to stay motivated. Our mentoring programs helps them to keep their passion for becoming STEM professionals alive.
I can't think of a better example to break that idea than the women working at GMV. Personally, I feel proud to support future engineers and to show them that talent in STEM knows no gender.